MTD Network this week. Well, first of all, welcome back. Happy New Year and all that. I'm sure the festivities have all been forgotten. You've gone through all your emails, everything's cleared, you're doing all your quotes and getting that work out the door. So again, welcome back. What's been going on? Well, first of all, you know what I'm going to say. Red to quote and blue to join the network. Get in contact if you need any work doing or want to join us. Now, what's been going on? Well, we've done a promotional video just to showcase what we do on MTD Network for our engineers. You've got your profiles, your immediate capacity, your videos, your news, things like that, just to get your name out to the market and ultimately get you some work. So talking of getting work, just heard from Bedford CNC. Andy he's quoted on an inquiry put out and he's won that work. So he's over the moon. Great work, Andy. Let's pop out and see you soon because we're going to do some filming there with your water wheel, if I'm correct. What else has been going on? We've filmed Sam Fowler. He's a farrier, also known as a blacksmith, and the Damascus blade. He's making this huge blade. It's going to end up in a 6 foot long knife. So have a quick look at that video. What else has been going on? B-Tech down in Bracknell in Berkshire. Popped in to see Mark and Brian from there. They've joined MTD Network. Great to have you on board. But more importantly, the machines they got down are absolutely fantastic. DMG Morris as an example, but even more importantly, some of the components they make there are absolutely amazing. So we're looking forward to getting down there, doing some filming. But Bucks Laser Tech have also joined us. Daniel Walden, great to have you on board, Dan. 3D printing, part marking, laser etching, anything like that. Get in contact with Dan. He's already got some content on the site, so thank you very much for that. Who else? 3D printing, we talk about 3D print and scan. Reese, you know what you're doing because you're always putting content on the site, so thank you for making my job a lot easier. Then what else we've got going on? MACH publication, you hopefully have seen an email about it. We're looking for people to advertise in this great publication, which is going to go out to thousands of people, UK engineering industry in the UK. Now, quickly, what's trending? Well, AW Precision, obviously doing a good job because they've got their star machine. We did a video about that. That's trending. Andy absolutely raved about it. I think it brought batch run down from about 3 weeks to about 2 days. So absolutely loves it. Also, their Keyence IDM inspection machine. Pop a component on there, measures it all up. You can reverse engineer. Again, Andy was absolutely raving about it. So have a quick look at that video. What else is trending? Well, Ferrositi. We popped down to see Nick and Bob a little while ago. They've got some spare capacity on their MACH i600 5-axis machine. Now the component, as an example, they were making on that, I think it was taking about 3 hours down to about 45 minutes. Cracking component, fantastic machine. So any components like that, get in contact with Nick at Ferrositi. That's about it for this week. Great to be back. Happy New Year again. You know what I'm going to say. Red to request a quote and blue to join. That's it. We'll see you soon.